Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss all the chapters of your syllabus regarding to for your first term syllabus. Now in today's class we take and discuss the new chapter which is algebraic identities, which is related to your second term syllabus. Second term syllabus. Okay, now so first of all, we discuss all the algebraic identity which are involved in your chapters and which is very important for you because of all the questions of that chapter based on identities. So first of all, dear students, you learn all the algebraic identities. After that, you can solve the questions based on them. Let's see. So important identities. Important identities. Let's see. First one is what? A plus B whole square. This is very common identity, and the formula for A plus B whole square is what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is your algebraic identity is A plus B whole square. Second one is what? A minus B whole square, which is equal to what? A square plus B square minus 2AB. Second, third. Next one is what? A square minus B square. This is also very important algebraic identities related to your syllabus, which is equal to A plus B in one bracket and A minus B in another bracket. Okay, now this is A plus B whole cube. This is also very important algebraic identity, A plus B whole cube, that is what? A cube plus B cube plus 3AB in bracket A plus B. Now next one is what? A minus B whole cube. A minus B whole cube is what? A cube minus B cube minus 3AB in bracket A minus B. This is your next and very important algebraic identities, A minus B whole cube. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB in bracket A minus B. Okay, now next one is what? A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube means what? A plus B in one bracket and in second bracket this is A square minus AB plus B square. This is the identity A cube plus B cube, that is A plus B in one bracket and in another bracket this is A square minus AB plus B square. Now next one is the A cube minus B cube. This is also very important, which is equal to A minus B in one bracket and in another bracket A square plus AB plus B square. Okay, this is the identity A minus A cube minus B cube, that is A minus B in one bracket and in another bracket this is A square plus AB plus B square. Okay, now this all these are the very important algebraic identities. Now next one is what? Next one is what? This is A plus B plus C whole square. This is also a very important algebraic identity. Let's see. This is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times in bracket AB plus BC plus CA. Or we can write, dear students, A square plus B square plus C square plus we multiply them. We also write in this way 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So these are also the very important algebraic identities related to your syllabus. This is very important. Okay, now we take and discuss a very important one more very important algebraic identities. Let's see. Now next one is what? This is very important, and this identity is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Okay, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to what? This is A plus B plus C in one bracket, and in another bracket this is A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA minus CA. This is also a very important algebraic identities. Let's see. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C in one bracket, and in another bracket this is A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Now there is very important conditions for that identity, which is what? Note. Please note that, students, if value of A plus B plus C is equal to 0, suppose that, then the above identity becomes what? Let's see. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to 0. A cube plus C cube B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to 0 because of the value of A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So in this way, the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to 0. Now look, we transfer the minus 3ABC that side. So we can write A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Thus, this is a very important result for you. If, dear student, the value of A plus B plus C is equal to 0, in that condition, the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3 times ABC. 3 times ABC. So this is the very important result. So please, dear student, first of all, learn all the important identities. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some important questions based on these identities. Very important question. Evaluate each of the following using identity. Using evaluate each of the following using identity. And first part of the question is what? 103 into 97, and second one is what? 97 whole square. Okay, so dear friends, these are the question, and what I do for that? Now we just evaluate each of the following by using the identity, means algebraic identities. So let's see its solution. Let's see. First of all, we take and solve the first part of this question, which is what? 103 into 97. Now, so first of all, we can write 103, we can write 100 plus 3 into 97, we can write 100 minus 3. Okay, and now since we know that a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in one bracket is equal to what? A square minus b square. We can write this: a plus b in one bracket, a minus b in one bracket is equal to a square minus b square. So now look here, this is a plus b, the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b, we can write a square minus b square. A square means what? Minus b square means what? 3 square. We can write a square minus b square. The value of a is 100 and the value of b is what? 3. So we can write what? 100 square minus 3 square. So that is what? 100 square is what? 10,000. 100 into 100. Okay. And now minus 9. 3 is the 9. So we get what? 9,991. So 9,991 is the required solution of the given questions. Okay, dear student. So in this way, dear student, you can solve that type of question. Now similarly, here we using the identity, this identity. Now similarly, we can solve the second part of this question with the help of identity. Let's see. We can write as 100 minus 3 whole square. We know that 97 square means what? We can write 97 as 100 minus 3 and the 100 minus 3 whole square. Now look. So since a minus b whole square means what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square means what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So similarly here we have the value of a is 100, the value of b is what? 3. So now we can write a square means what? A square plus b square means what? Minus 2ab. 2 into 100 into 3. Now we just simplify them. So 100 square is what? 10,000 minus 3 is 9 minus this is 600. This is 600. Now we have 10,600 plus 9. Okay, because of now. No. First, what I do? We subtract 10,000 minus 600. So 10,000 minus 600 is equal to what? 9,400. 9,400 plus 9, that is 9,409. 9,409. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear friends, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. This is one of the most important questions. So please, dear friend, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Similarly, now we take and solve some other important question based on the identity. Let's see. Now look, we take some important question. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6, find the value of x power 4 plus 1 upon x to power 4. Okay, now look, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6, then find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Okay, now let's see its solution. Okay, now look, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6, find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Okay, so look, since we have x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6, no, we have x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6. We find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Now, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides we get, look, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equal to 36, because the square of 6 is about 36. Now x cancels each other is equal to 36. Now we have x square plus 1 upon x is equal to 36 minus 2, that is 34. So in this way, the value of x to the x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 34. Now, based on what we find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. So for that, what I do? We again squaring both sides. Again squaring both sides. Look, again squaring both sides. since we have x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 34. Again squaring both sides means what? Okay, that is the square both side. Now a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equal to 34 square. Square of 34 is what? 1156. The square of 34 is what? 1156. Now what I do? Look. From there x square x will cancel to each other. So thus the value of this is -2. So the value this is the required solution. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please dear students, do more and more practices of your question. Now we take and one more question based on some ability. Suppose that question is if x plus y is equal to 12 and xy is equal to 32. Find x square plus y square. Find the value of x square plus y square. Now what I do for that? Now look. Since we know that x plus y whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So now the value of x plus y is 12 whole square is equal to x square plus y square, which we find, plus xy is 32. Now look here, this is 144 is there, x square plus y square plus 64. Now we transfer that side, so x square plus y square equal to 144 minus 64. So now 0 86. Thus the value of x square plus y square is 80. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay. So dear students, in this way you can solve that type of questions. Okay. So dear students, these are the first of all, let's see, we have the value of x plus y and x into y, and we find the value of x square plus y square. So for that, dear student, we apply the formula a plus b whole square, and a plus b whole square means what? A square plus b square plus 2ab, and from there we put the value of x plus y as 12 square is equal to x square plus y square, which we find the value of xy is equal to 32. Okay. Now the square of 12 is what? 144, and we, after transferring them, we get our result as x square plus y square 144 minus 64, that is 80. So in this way you can solve that type of question. Okay. Now so in this way you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on identity. Thus, dear students, in this way in today's class we take and discuss a very important chapter, that is algebraic identities. Now in next class we take and solve the same chapter, and we take some other important question based on the identities. Okay. Now thanks to all.